Hello dear friends, welcome. How interesting it is, with the help of letters, we form different words to express ourselves and communicate with each other. To develop our communicative skill in English, we should have a strong vocabulary. To develop your strong vocabulary, you should use a good dictionary or watch my video to learn a list of words with different spelling and meaning but same sound. Look at the sentences. I have a hare with one eye. I and I. It likes to eat carrot. Come here to see my hair with white hair. How interesting. Hair, hair, hair. Eat, eat, eat. All these are the words. They have same sound but different spelling and different meaning. Do you know what are they? They are called homophones. Homophones are the words with same sound but different meaning and spelling. In this way, look at the sentences. She went to Puri to see a sea. Clear? See. Can you tell me a tale of a tale? Tell. In this way, I will discuss a list of homophones in the next class. So remember to watch, share and comment, as well as subscribe the channel Kolkata Tutorial to avail other classes. Thank you all.